channel. All right guys, so it's snowing here and I'm stuck in the house, so I'm gonna take you guys along the way. I'm cleaning my house. I'm doing a deep clean, getting my baseboards. I am cleaning my oven, just doing all the things that I need to do. Now that I'm stuck in the house, I have to do them, and this is like the great time, like the best time to actually do those. So I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna show you guys a DIY project that I'm finishing up on. Actually it is finished. It's in this room. It's a bar cart. I'll let you know the details below, but I'll show you like the before and after. I don't know if I'll be able to get all of this in one video. We'll see. I may have to do like a part 2, but yeah, so come on. Christmas slippers. It is February, but they are so comfortable. My friend gifted these to me at a Christmas Eve dinner, and y'all, they so comfortable. I did wash them, so I'm missing a little bill here, but y'all know I always like something on my feet around the house. But are these not the cutest? And look, Santa's black. Like, get into the Santa. Let me flip you. Like, get into the Santa. Yes. Alright guys, so I'm in my guest bedroom and I'm about to clean up a little bit here, but I was going through the box that I was gifted. Marcus actually bought me a face steamer that I've never used before, and I'm thinking about using this later on today. If I do, I will let you guys know how that went. But yeah, and also I have a gel machine. It was like a whole big box of, like, here's the box over here. You can't see the box. Here's the, where is it? Right here. That's the box that he gifted me. It had like a whole lot of self-care items in there. It was super dope. I'm about to go through it right now. Let me take y'all want to see what's in the box? Okay, hold on. Okay, like, I guess this is like my box room, because I actually have a box here that I have not opened yet. This is my swimsuit. I'm not sure why it's coming in this big box, y'all. This big box. Versace. Yes, I bought this. Marcus did not buy this. I bought this. So y'all want to see what's in here? Let's check it out. Okay. And then let me see. Okay, let me sit y'all. Let me see. I'm gonna sit y'all at. See the lighting here. That's a little. I do like a unbox. Y'all, I don't care about stuff like that. Look at this. This big box just for a swimsuit. It's an experience. Okay. Okay, we got a zipper. This is how the bag looks here. Okay, bag. Okay, let's see how it looks here. Okay, I didn't really know their sizing, but I know that I have a little big trunk in the front, so I wanted to get it a size up. It looks like this is actually gonna fit me. This is a size 5. I probably could have been ordered a 4, but the black one was out of stock, and I'm still gonna get that once it comes in stock. But I love the red one too. Again, I'm getting ready for my trip that I'm going on soon, and so I always wanted this swimsuit and the black one. Super cute. So yeah, that's what's in this big box. Super cute. Okay, I know that I need to go through this, but this is why I'm doing it now. So this is my box that Marcus, he just decided to put all my gifts for Christmas into one box. So I did use this. So this was semi out of the box but back in the box. So this is like a tub, like a relaxing type board here that you put on the tub. Have your do not disturb sign. The king is having a good time. And then the queen here. And I love this because I can actually put my iPad on this to look at movies, and it pops right up. Have my soap. Y'all, this has so many parts to it. I can put a candle right here. I can put my phone right here so it doesn't get like wet. Love this, absolutely. And it kind of comes out like that part comes out too. So depending on how big your tub is, would highly recommend this. You can check my Amazon link for this. So yeah, this was one of them. Let me try to get this back. Okay, I showed you guys the steamer here. Here's a up close person. Oh wow, it comes with the utensils. Oh wow, it's a 3-in-1 facial steamer. Oh, okay, so it comes with a kit here. So it says a facial steamer and then a towel warmer and a humidifier. Wow. Okay. Let's see how about that. And then he knows that I hate getting my nails done. Hint. So he bought me one of these so I won't complain. I can just do it myself. Just put my hand in there. Bing. And then AirPod, my MacBook Air. I have used this. This is actually out of the box, I think. This. And then he got me a iPhone. And then this is the soap that I use for my face. I still actually have some, so I haven't actually opened this yet. And what else do we have here? We have some Fendi skincare products. I love the Butter Drop body cream. Really love this. It smells so good. I'm trying to get it out, guys. Gosh, it's not even coming out. Oh please, oh please. Okay, I love this color too. This is how it looks. It smells so good. I just got my makeup. I'm getting makeup on everything here. Okay, that. And then I have this here. Fendi Skin Flat Water that I have not used yet. I need to use this to see how it is. Anybody in the comments want to let me know if they like it. Is it a yay or nay? And then this was for some grown folks business, so I ain't even gonna get into that. And so this here is like a self-care book. It's called I Discovered. It's a self-care journal for Black women because I'm a Black woman, but we about to get into sis outfit real quick. And it's kind of like a journal. It has affirmations in it. This is also linked in my Amazon link as well if anybody wants to take a look at it. I haven't started it yet, but I plan on doing it. And then this is my second book because I'm getting into like a deeper spirituality here. So it's basically like a guide for healing, like the body, mind, and soul. This had great reviews on Amazon, so I put this on my list to get, and I guess Santa got it for me here. Again, this is going to be linked in my Amazon. And then, okay, this is the last item here. It's a Black women coloring book. I love to color. Don't know if you guys know, but I am an artist. I love to paint, draw, all things. And this book, it features a lot of Black images. Let me show you. Oh, she kind of looked like me with the glasses. Okay, and then the hair, supernatural hair. Oh my God, get me to this. Hold on, let me get y'all. The illustration on this book is just amazing. Like, would highly recommend this book. It will be listed in my Amazon link here. So yeah, and that's all for my. All right, so that's all we have for the box here. Yeah. All right, so it's lunchtime and I'm gonna show y'all what we're about to eat for lunch. So come on, let's go. All right, now this is one of the best pizzas at Trader Joe's. It's roasted garlic pesto pizza. If you love garlic, this is the pizza for you. We love this pizza. Those are the ingredients, and for those that need the nutritional facts here, there you go. But this is really, really a good pizza. Okay, so sometimes we do get cheese, so we can add whatever we want to add to the pizza. So today we're gonna add some turkey bacon to the pizza, and let me show you how the pizza looks. Okay, so this is how the pizza looks. You see the pesto, and then the cheese, and then I think these are the nuts, the pine nuts, and then the crust is really thick. So I'm gonna add this turkey bacon to that, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so this is how the pizza came out here. It looks so good. Oh my God. Ooh. Yeah, look at this stuffed crust. Look at the cheese. Like, can we get into this turkey bacon pesto garlic pizza really quick here? Yeah, this looks so good. I can't wait. I'm hungry too. Okay, so here is another. Let me sit you. Yeah, let me sit down real quick. Okay, here is something else that I'm doing today. I am going through my recipe book. I have this recipe book here. My friend Lisa bought this for Christmas for me, and I love it. It's wooden. It goes with my bohemian style farmhouse. It says Decenta seasoned recipe from her heart to your belly. So I am working on filling out my recipes that I have. So I'm working on that today as well. I'm gonna show y'all a close-up. Let me show y'all. Okay, so this is the book. Look at, so this is like different food. It's like carved out on the book. The book is wooden. And then here is the title, Decenta seasoned recipes from her heart to your bellies. This is so nice. I love it. Oh my God, y'all, I love it. This is the side. And then you open it. And it says recipe card, so you get to name your recipe, the servings, the ingredients, preparation, if it's vegan, dairy free, low carbs, gluten free, time to prepare, time to eat, cooking temperature, tools and utensils, and then review. So we already know that it's gonna be all 5s here. And yeah, so you can just write it down, and then you have these pages here. I love this book. I can't wait to like put down. I am going to purchase another bigger book for my family and my friends, because you know how, you know, like your grandma biscuits that nobody has the recipe to, and now she took the recipe to her grave. Like, I want to start this tradition where if somebody isn't on, you know, your auntie macaroni and cheese, like I want to have a recipe book with all of my family recipes, all of my friends, my close friends recipes in the book. Because when you're long and gone, like nobody is gonna have those recipes, and everybody's gonna say, you know, oh my God, I wish I should get the recipe, blah 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 blah. We're gonna stop that. We're gonna break that tradition, and we're gonna go ahead and get these we're gonna get these recipes out of these people. So I know for a fact, like my mom, she does chicken salad, best chicken salad you have ever heard. Like, don't at me, do not come for my mama's chicken salad. Now, she's not the best baker in the world, but she can make some chicken salad. I'm definitely gonna get another one, a bigger one, for my family and friends. All right guys, hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. And again, I may do a part 2 if I was unable to edit all of what I needed in this video. I'm trying to be nosy. I looked at my neighbor. But yes, so see you guys on the next video.